Right then, you horrible lot. Today on Burnt Wolf Airsoft, discussing a few basic ambushes you can use your next airsoft game. We here at Burnt Wolf pride ourselves on our production value. We've managed to acquire some cutting-edge, state-of-the-art technology, precision, aerial, infantry navigation tool. Or, as you will all know it as, codenamed Paint. Now, let's get on with it, shall we? No, you weren't meant to see that. I'm not sure how that quite got in there. Moving swiftly on. This is the area we're hoping to set up our ambush. Let's take a closer look, shall we? Now, the red line represents expected enemy troop movements. We're going to set up an ambush to catch them off guard. The two yellow blips represent friendly forces. Should bunker down, find themselves some good cover, and try and conceal themselves as much as they possibly can. Now, as the enemy, represented by these red blips here, approach, it is most imperative this chap here does absolutely nothing. Wouldn't want to give away a position. Sure enough, he may get a few. Why get a few when you can get the lot here? Once the enemy have moved past this chap here, it's finally time for him to do something. I bet he was getting bored there, eh? Opening fire on the enemy from behind. Oh, no one likes it from behind. As soon as he has opened fire, this chap here also gets to do something. Bloody brilliant. Catching the enemy in a crossfire as they turn around to engage the first man, and hopefully eliminating them all from the game. It all goes to plan anyway. Now this next ambush is one of my favorites, particularly nefarious. You're going to need more than just one friend to successfully carry this one out. Same as before, red line represents expected enemy movement. Now these two chaps here, they've got it particularly easy. All they have to do is open fire on the enemy pretty much as soon as they see them. Now this chap here, unfortunately, has a bit of a raw deal. He has to sit there very quietly, select an exceptional piece of cover if he's ever going to pull this one off, and wait. The enemy move down the path. As soon as they become in range, these two chaps here, they begin to open fire. If they can hold them there for long enough, more enemy troops should arrive and start to collect at this bottleneck. It is now. This chap here has been waiting so long, if he survives this long, emerges from cover, lights the whole bloody lot of them up. It's very difficult to actually pull off. When it does pull off, my God, is it glorious. Anyway, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Check out a few of these. Jolly good stuff.